culture of the adults is always going to dictate the climate, and it's always going to dictate the culture of the kids. So always ask yourself, and this is one thing I think we had a hard time with in the past couple of years. We were looking at, what do we do for these kids? What are we going to do for these families? What do we do for these kids? What do we do for these families? And then many of us said, well, what are we going to do for us? All right? We're the ones struggling here. So be thinking about that. It's not just about Teacher Appreciation Week. It's not just about getting candy in your mailbox or a card once in a while. It's about saying that we've got a solid system that I can fall back on. I can have a hard time in my classroom one day and I can walk out in the hallway and my neighbor here walks in and says, hey, you take 5, I'll take over your class for 5. It's my planning period, right? That's the culture that we're looking for. When kids see that, it's super important and it changes them. So the mind shift here is not necessarily teaching the direct skills to the kids around social emotional learning. It's making sure that we're doing that ourselves in front of them so that they see it in action, and then it starts to make sense. So that's why it's so important when we talk about the culture of adults.